Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a Motorola Moto G22. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Next go into voice option and here go into voice match. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Next need to give access to your assistant, tap next and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, press continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.